A as in apron, E as in equal, I as in iris, O as in opener, U as in unicorn, R as in star, as in fern, or as in fork, as in book, oo as in moon, ah as in saucer, oi as in oil, ow as in out, I as in itch, as in echo, a as in apple, ah as in octopus, as in umbrella, b as in bat, d as in dog, f as in fish, g as in goat, h as in house, j as in jam, k as in kite, x as in box, qu as in queen, l as in leaf, m as in mitten, n as in nest, p as in pig, r as in rabbit, s as in sock, t as in table, v as in Valentine, w as in wagon, y as in yarn, z as in zipper, ch as in chair, sh as in ship, ng as in king, th as in mother, and th as in thimble, w as in whistle, and sh as in explosion.